Meanwhile, Jammu and Kashmir's main opposition leader Mehbooba Mufti has said that the all-party delegation to Kashmir should talk to everyone in the valley, including the youth who've been part of the violent protests. While speaking to Barkha Dutt on the buck stops here, Mehbooba said that the Kashmir issue should be tackled with compassion.
Do you believe that this all-party delegation should meet with the separatists when they go, and will you be making an appeal to the boys on the streets who are protesting, who are throwing stones, to meet with this all-party delegation?
Well, see, when the all-party delegation goes there, I think they need to meet everybody. They need to meet everybody because they have already met us, the mainstream parties. They need to meet all these young boys who are angry, and if in any case we can help in that, why not? We would like to do that. But I don't know whether anybody is going to listen to us at this point of time, with people getting killed right and left.
One last question on the Armed Forces Special Powers Act. It seems to have become the center stage of attention and national debate, with opinions so strongly divided and the three service chiefs going on record to say this is not the time. Mehbooba Mufti, given how volatile the situation is on the ground, and given that the recent clashes have not in fact involved the army, they've involved the JK police and the paramilitary, do you believe now is the time to either partially lift or amend the Armed Forces Special Powers Act?
Well, Barkha, if you recall, we had started this in 2007 when situation was much better, things were improving, and it should have been a very natural consequences of, the situation, improvement in the situation in 2008, 60% people voting. So it should have, happened naturally. But the way the state government is trying to project the cosmetic changes in the as a resolution to the whole problem, as if everything is going to fine, I don't believe that. We have to revoke ESPA in totality, not, a cosmetic thing. But if we think that it is going to help the situation, everything is going to be fine, I don't believe it. Because it can be a part of a process, but not a process in totality.